What's up, guys? Dinno here. And like always, thank you to everyone who has subbed or liked or commented. I really try to respond to every comment, so if you have any questions, I'll do my best to respond and answer them. But with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. So today, we have one of the most interesting keyboards that I own. And it's not because of its features, it's because of the price. This keyboard kit is $20. It has an ABS case, an aluminum plate, 5-pin hot swap, case foam, stabs, and a silicone plate dampener. This kit is the Jaeyou Tes68 from NuPhy. It has all of the features I mentioned for only $20 plus shipping. This makes the Tes68 a competitor to the KBD67 Lite, which, in my opinion, it completely knocks out of the water. Now, you're probably saying, is this too good to be true? Well, the Tes68 can only be used wirelessly with Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz connection. It uses two AA batteries, and the connection is really fast too. So I don't actually have any problem with it, and it works great. For my build, I got the aqua color, which is like a transparent Tiffany, and it is really nice. The kit comes in aqua, orange, yellow, black, and gray. I use some Acco Radiant Reds for my build, and they are really nice and smooth. I also use some cheap $20 keycaps from Amazon to show you how good a budget sub $100 keyboard can sound. So take a listen for yourself. So I really like the sound, and all I did was PE foam and tape mod, and added some loop switches, which is pretty crazy. This has very low effort and very low cost. In my opinion, this is way better than the KBD67 Lite, and if this was out when I was getting my KBD67 Lite, I would definitely pick this over the KBD67 Lite. This keyboard needs to come out of the shadows and become the new budget starter keyboard. It is insane. This keyboard is better than RK61, GK61, KBD67 Lite, NK65 Entry Edition, IK68 Aurora. It's $20, and it's better than those $100 keyboards. This whole keyboard, keycap switches, kit, is like $60, maybe $70. The KBD67 kit is $120. So it's already cheaper, and it's already better. Now, the Tes68 is a tray mount compared to the KBD67 Lite's modified gasket mount, but the KBD67 Lite doesn't even have any flex from that anyway, so it doesn't really matter at all. So, in conclusion, this is the best budget keyboard, hands down. No debate. bite me.